What'd you do?
This brand new snowmobile died on me.
You break it?
The dealer ripped me off. No, I don't know. It just bogged down and died. Peep this engine.
Ooh.
This is auto rebuilds. Actually, snowmobile rebuilds.
Way back in the day.
Back in the day. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuilds Garage. And you guys are probably wondering, where are these guys at? What are they doing? Because they're not putting out any videos. But we're still here. As you guys can see, it's snowed in. There's a ton of snow, and we haven't been able to record since we work outside. And this video is part 2 of this bad boy right here. And today we're gonna show you guys all the parts, everything that we got for this thing, and I'm gonna tell you guys the price of all the parts that we got.
All right, for those of you that are watching this for the first time, we do have a part 1, so go check that out. But we'll just go over a quick review of what happened to this truck. So it was smashed in the front. Grill, hood was all messed up. All the radiators were broken. The shroud fan was broken. The pulley is broken. Windshield smashed. And so we got this bar replaced already. And then what else did we replace? I think this is all we've done for now. We also bought a couple engine mounts for it because it did break the engine mounts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we'll go and show you guys all the parts that we got. All right, guys, we got a cool project coming really soon. I think it's going to be really interesting with the whole, it's going to be a truck themed project. It's going to be really cool. There's not many videos on YouTube of people doing or working on this kind of a project. It's going to be a first time project for us. Sorry guys, I know we're buying all these projects and not really finishing anything, but once the weather clears out, we promise you we're going to be busting out these projects, and there are many more projects to come. We got lots of good ideas. We just need to get these projects rolling, and then we'll be able to get other ones.
And this project is going to be here tomorrow. So the video, I believe, should be up here in the next few days. So stay tuned for that. You guys are not going to want to miss it, because I went on YouTube and I'm like, let me find somebody doing this project. And I found some little bits and pieces of the project, but not something that we want to do. So this is exciting. You guys should stay tuned, subscribe, and let's get into this video.
And for those of you that are wondering what happened with the GTO build, it's on hold. It's been cold outside, can't really be working. The frame shop that's supposed to get the work done is backed up for like another month, so our hands are pretty much tied on that. But all the parts are ordered. Literally every part we need to get this build put together. Once the framework is done, we bought. We can show you the headlights that we got for it. If you did go with some aftermarket headlights, let's see. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just going to show you guys what we bought. So they got 2 halo lights and then 3 like LEDs.
I think it's gonna look nice.
They look pretty cool. The price was about $200, where a factory one was about $600 for a used one, just one. So couldn't pass up on the deal. I think they will look better than factory. So that's that. What else? And then we also ordered some radiator hoses. They're just black hoses. This is gonna be the first mod for the build.
How much horsepower is that gonna add?
About a quarter of a horsepower. So yeah, those are pretty cool.
Well, let's move on to the truck. Let's show them the parts.
All right, so the parts are right here, guys. It's all snowed in, so it's gonna be kind of hard to see what we got going on here. We did take a video earlier before all this snow dumped, so we're just gonna probably just play that video so you guys can see exactly what parts we got. And like Roman said earlier, we're gonna reveal how much we paid for all these parts, and it's gonna be pretty much all the parts we need. Maybe just some miscellaneous hoses and stuff like that, but for the most part, I think we got just about every part we need to get this build going. So just stay tuned.
So here's the parts. The hood, grill, everything on the pallet. Picked it up at the junkyard. It's a little hit on the side, but got a good deal on it. Okay guys, so that was the clip of us picking up the parts from the junkyard, and I want you guys to put your guesses below. Comment below, pause the video, comment below what you guys think we picked up all those parts you just seen. The hood, the radiator, all this miscellaneous stuff. Comment below right now. Now that you commented, those parts all together were $2,500 for the hood, for the radiator, all those things you seen on the trailer in the back of the truck. That was $2,500. I think that's a smoking deal. And so we will proceed with the build as soon as the snow melts.
All right, we told you guys about the 10,000 subscribers. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway. So the giveaway is gonna be a $50 prepaid Visa card that we're gonna just pick a random comment for the winner. So what you got to do is you got to comment below, you got to be subscribed to our channel, like this video, and then also you got to follow us on Instagram. So if you do all those steps, and when we go to pick the winner, if you are missing one of those steps, you will not be eligible for the card. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment below 10,000 subs, and also follow us on Instagram, and you will be able to win the $50 card.
And Instagram handle is right here. It's Auto Rebuilds Garage on Instagram. So be sure to follow us, guys. Thank you for the amazing support. Also, we have some sweaters out. If you guys want to go check them out, link is in the description. And we're going to see you guys on the next video.